On a recent trip to Debak, as I approached the town, it reminds me of Bintulu back in the 1980s. I had to negotiate a sharp bend around a large field, and I could see the town on the other side of the field. That was how it was in Bintulu too, except here in Debak, the large field is a football field, while in Bintulu it was much bigger as it was the old airport. This bustling little town was destroyed by fire in the 1980s, and new shophouses were rebuilt and completed in 1989, giving the town a relatively modern look, though it existed at least a century ago. Located in the Betong Division, Debak is about 300 kilometers from Kuching using the Pan-Borneo Highway. In the old days, it was an important settlement under the Brunei rule. During the White Raja's rule, Debak was a trading town serving the surrounding areas and was among the earlier places that the Anglican mission set foot on. Today, it is the administrative town of Debak sub-district with many facilities and government departments. Once widely grown here, the local fruit embang is the icon of the town, and this icon stood majestically welcoming everyone as we enter the town. The biggest ethnic group in this district, making up 51% of the population, are the Ibans, followed by the Malays with 48% of the total population. Both ethnic groups mostly live in longhouses and kampongs, and are mainly involved in farming, while many more are government servants. The few hundred Chinese mainly live in a town of about 50 shops. They are mainly Teochews and Hakkas, and they dominate the business sector. After passing by the Embang icon and clock tower, we came to the busiest part of the town. Like many towns in Sarawak, it is mostly busy in the morning. The morning crowd was doing their marketing and whatnot, and there were many stalls open, providing a wide range of products. This market is also quite a recent addition, built to replace some of the old shop houses there. Like other markets in Sarawak, the first floor is occupied by food stalls, while downstairs is the wet market plus many other stalls selling various items. Outside the market, there are more food stalls selling yummy looking food. After the market and the various stalls outside it, I came to the town proper where these shop houses were rebuilt after the big fire. So although this is an old bazaar stretching back to the White Raja's days, the typical old wooden shops as seen in many other towns are no longer found here. Instead, the rebuilt shops give a modern look to the town. The shops here are well stocked with a great variety of goods, and this attracted many people from nearby area to do their marketing here as the price is very reasonable. The main road leads to the nearby river, the Rimbas River. The Rimbas River looks deserted. This scenario can be seen over and over again in other places as the country progresses and good roads are built, providing an efficient mode of transport, and rivers began to lose its importance, and the Rimbas River flowing by Debak Bazaar is no different. The view of Debak Bazaar from this angle reminds me of Tondong Bazaar. In that, Tondong Bazaar is a distance away from the river that flows by, and is also basically a one-street bazaar. But Tondong has the classic look with its old shops, while Debak has a modern look. So there you have it, an old town with a modern look. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.